Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook coffee cake. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and greasing a 9-inch by 9-inch baking pan. Combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly, ensuring everything is well combined and aerated for a perfect base. Next, prepare your wet ingredients in a separate medium-sized bowl. Cream together 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined, being careful not to overmix the batter. Now, let's create the delightful crumb topping. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 4 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter cut into small pieces. Use your fingers or a pastry blender to mix until coarse crumbs form. Spread half of your cake batter into the prepared pan, sprinkle with half of the crumb topping, then gently add the remaining batter, finishing with the rest of the topping. Bake your coffee cake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be beautifully golden brown and firm to the touch. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. For an extra treat, drizzle with a simple powdered sugar glaze before serving warm, creating a perfect breakfast or dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.